Hi guys, this is Wendy. I'm on to show you what papers and items I've got to create with for the month of March for Aunty Vera Scrap and Craft. For March there's going to be a little fun in-house competition which I'm so excited about. I do like a competition or a challenge, you know me by now. So we've got a little, Aunty Vera has put the challenge out for March between cats and dogs, and I don't actually have a pet at the moment. Our last pet was a dog, and that was about maybe eight or 9 years ago. And then before the dog we actually had a cat, so I like both. I like both little pets there, or family members, because some of them are like family to you. Well, they do become like family. Anyway, I have chosen dogs. The other two girls that are creating for March are Sue and Gina, and they've both chosen cats, so I thought, well, why not go for the underdogs? Okay, for March we have got these so cute and fun papers from Echo Park Paper Co. Now this one here is the maybe 3x4s cut aparts, which they're so cute. Look at this gorgeous little puppy dog. And just a few little sayings. Dogs add colour to our lives. The road to my heart is paved with paw prints. Without my dog, my wallet would be full, my house would be clean, but my heart would be empty. Oh, that is so cute. So that's the front side, and on the back we have got some really lovely bone patterned paper. Now I was trying to see if these actually had a name on them, but they don't. They're just called I Love My Dog. Yeah, 3x4 journaling cards, this one is. So they're so cute. I really like that. And then this one here, the front and the back. Oh, that's nice, isn't it? This is called Dog Tags, which you can see all the lovely dog tags here. But I do like those colours. They look really nice, don't they? So there's that one. And then this one here are maybe the 6x4 cutouts. Yep, 4x6 journaling cards. That's the back, and this is the front. So they're lovely. Oh, look at these. Oh, they're so cute. They really are. And this one here is called Go Fetch. That is so cute. Go Fetch. And I like this. Like, brown is not one of my colours, but in this pattern here with the paw prints, that it actually looks really nice, and it goes well with these cute little puppy dogs here. And this one here, oh, this is nice bright colours. This one's called Puppy Love. So this side we have the circles with the little pups in them. They're cute. And this one here has just got all the puppy dog words. Playful, good, cute, woof, paws, bark, me and my dog, woof, love, furry friend. Oh, that is so cute. I like that. Nice bright colours too. And then we have this one here. No, I hope I was in shot. And this one's called Woof Woof. Woof Woof, that is so cute. Okay. So they're the papers from Echo Park. I Love My Dog range. And here are the coordinating solid papers as well. I Love My Dog, and these are from Echo Park also. So, oh, that's nice. So we've got a red and light blue. That's a nice coloured blue, that. And then we have this one, which is orange and sky blue. And blue, yellow and blue. And that's the darker blue. They're nice together though, aren't they? Okay, so they're the papers that Aunty Vera has sent to us, and then we do get to pick out a few items that we're going to use in our projects. And I chose some of this Aunty Vera washi tape, and it's so cute. It's got these little puppies. I got this cute little puppy dog washi tape. Isn't that gorgeous? And this is Aunty Vera's washi tape. I also chose this. This is the Delusions stamps by Diane Reevely from Ranger, and it's called Puppy Dog Tales. Aren't they just so gorgeous? They're nice, nice size stamps too. So I'm going to have fun playing with those and colouring a few of them up. Then I also chose some of this, which is the So Easy Fancy Floss from We Are Memory Keepers. And the colours, I don't think I can see the colours properly. Limeade, Blue Wagon, and I can't see that top on there. And it's not going to tell me. They've got them written just down under there. But I thought this is going to come in handy for the type of project that I want to do using the papers. And then I also chose some of the Ranger Distress Oxides. Now, I must be the only crafter that does not own any of these, and now I do. So it'll be interesting for me to have a play with these. So I grabbed the squeezed lemonade, and I actually didn't think they were so big. I don't know why. I thought they might have been just a mini size thing, but this is the size. So I've got squeezed lemonade, worn lipstick, and Mermaid Lagoon. So I'm going to have a play with those in the projects that I have in mind for the month of March. And I just love these papers. Alright guys, they're the items I have for the month of March. And Aunty Vera has given me the theme Dog Days Are Over, which I really don't think they are. This month I would really love you to come along and craft with me, and if you do make something similar using these items from Aunty Vera Scrap and Craft, just pop a picture down in the group on Facebook, which is called Crafty Vera and Friends Group, because there's a competition and I need all the help. I'm going solo, guys, so I need your help. Just pop over, buy some of these gorgeous papers and whatever you like from Aunty Vera Scrap and Craft, and come and help me. I need the help. I hope hope you'll come back and craft along with me for the month of March. Something with doggies. We've got to play, we've got to build up the dogs and let the dogs win. Go doggies! Guys, I just wanted to mention that all these items that I'm using in the month of March are discounted on the Aunty Vera Scrap and Craft website, on her shop. So my theme is Dog Days Are Over, and the other two ladies that are on the creative team for March, they actually are doing Like a Cat. So, and I just wanted to let you know that their things are also discounted for the month of March, so it will be well worth your while to pop over to Aunty Vera Scrap and Craft, and I'll leave the link down in my description box to have a look at all their items as well, because you can get some really good discounts. Okay, that's it. So really hope that during March you will craft along with the creative team, because the projects are just going to be awesome. You all have a great doggy day, and I will catch you later. Bye bye. Woof, woof. Why did I do that?